Hurricane Ida made landfall exactly 16 years after Hurricane Katrina.
I remember what it was like not knowing if my home would be there.
Sandra Feist was a law school student in New Orleans at the time.
I evacuated with a couple of friends. We expected to be gone for a long weekend, and we expected to go right back, but we eventually got stranded in Arkansas.
With family in Minnesota, they headed north. Sandra meant to stay for a moment, then ended up making a life here. She visited her former home in 2019.
I was able to take my kids down to New Orleans just to see the French Quarter and to see the city and to really experience the weirdness of New Orleans that I loved and lived in for a while.
Sandra is now a state representative living in New Brighton.
We talk a lot about clean energy and climate change, and when I see another, once in a century hurricane bearing down on the city of New Orleans because of those rising ocean temperatures, we just know we need to do something because I just don't know how much our country can bear.
Now, her friends are fleeing from Hurricane Ida.
I have a friend whose baby was diagnosed with COVID 9 days ago, and now they're on a journey evacuating.
Sandra remembers the outpouring of support she received after Hurricane Katrina.
I just fear that if we have these storms happening so frequently with Hurricane Maria not that long ago and now Hurricane Ida, I just worry what capacity for empathy and generosity that we have. And I know that there will be so many people in need. My heart just really goes out to everyone in New Orleans.
Heidi Wigdahl, KARE 11 News.